Good morning, everybody. Trent Suing again. Hey, boy, last night was a little rough. Like I said before, that when I sleep, I'm not really, my body's asleep, but my mind's still very active. And last night hurt. I have a lot of people that think I'm on drugs. I've had people that are important to me think that I'm on mushrooms or whatever. Be pure honest with you, marijuana, which is legal here, and I'm not getting any effect out of that anymore. So I'm not even using that. And so, I mean, please, you guys, I'm just talking about pure grace, pure everything. When I get passionate and when I increase the intensity, well, stop and think. I don't lie. And when I showed the video of me right before I went to Ukraine, I did a negative in that video. I talked disparagingly about the Pentecostal religion. If you guys watch it, that's true. And that was wrong of me, but I wasn't conscious yet. And I just want to tell people who have the Pentecostal belief, I love you guys with all my heart. I apologize. I wasn't right. I wasn't conscious. It doesn't, I'm not in your conscious mind. I'm not justifying it by any means. I'm conscious now, and I know that what goes on in an illusion isn't actually real, so I can be at peace with it. If you see me getting a little emotional at times, it's the love I feel for the person that I might have cast negative upon, if you will. And my two sides, my conscious side and my illusional side coming together and feeling that rush of energy for me actually purging something I did wrong, a lie. Now when I say a lie, everything in existence comes down to positive or negative. Basically, choice, no choice. Heard that before in the Bible. But I have some very this is going to, shock a lot of people. And honestly, after this broadcast, I'm moving away from the subject of religion, simply because in my conscious mind, I keep going back everything I think of that's stuck. And I was watching the movie Paul. If you guys have seen it, or if you haven't seen it, you gotta see it. It's amazing. It's wasn't that big of a hit. Kind of surprised. Has a ton of truths in it too. Yes, sirree, Bob. And one thing I remember from that movie was towards the very end of it, after someone had just got shot in the chest, and Caesar, hush. I'll be right back.